Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
Anjima zan ganna da su, anjima zan ganna da su. An fara shugaban kasa da an kuna CCC gaba da shugaban ya gama gani, wai duk da mai ji fasa ya rai a fasara bai abin da bai. A fasara da a ji a nemo ni. Haka ake gani. Ina wa da yana bai. Har da zuriya ne.
Knows what to do about this country. Why would he allow the cabals to why you have a problem? Okay, let's look for when he first came May 29, he said he wants to bring down subsidy. All of a sudden, me, I will not blame to him. Because we Nigerians, we are so proud of our problems tonight. Before the price inflation, people already inflate the price themselves. And the government, the cabals themselves, now see there is no reason of them to keep it rating. Let them just vote and let it overtake. So now the overtake is affecting the rich and the poor and the middle people in the midst of the rich. They should just please let us get into like this. We are talking of fuel alone. Fuel alone is not easy. Let's, for instance, look at diesel. It's the diesel that we use for bringing the goods from northern area. We Lagosians are not doing farming. Let's look at the fact that that will bring goods from north. If they are buying fuel diesel for 1,800, 1,900 per liter, how much do you expect them to carry the goods? And how much do you want the goods to be sold? How much are they going to make from that money? How much are they to make from that money from their own lively source to come in? That's what the government should look at for us. They should bring down the price of diesel. Dangote or no Dangote. Dangote is a noble man that has everything. We cannot wait for the time for Dangote fuel to start coming up before we start living life. They should look at the fact that they are rich and we the poor here are suffering. We are suffering. They should just look at the fact that people are suffering here. Come down to our own level. Make things come easier for us. Look at most people are dying out in the street. Here in the street I am. I'm a graduate. Since 2024 I graduated from school. No job. Then I am I've been a bus conductor, walking all through the streets, all like that. When am I to make it? Second class upper degree from Olabisi Onabanjo University at Galway. Can you imagine? I've not been able to work, I've not been able to do anything until only the days they will come to come and work with their men. That's when I will get to take to my family. Please, the government, we are begging you people. I just know they say after God is government. They just say after God is government. So they should just please come to our rescue. What we need now is how they should just come to this agreement of diesel and fuel. If the price of those things can come down, if the price of those things can come down, our future should go down. Then let's come to the fact of this. I believe that most of our don't allow
But in Nigeria, we don't spend dollars. What can you say about how dollar is affecting prices of goods? And it's not
My brother, let me quickly talk about that. Little thing I know about that, I will say it. If our government will allow the prices of our stores, if we are buying rice for 100 naira here in Lagos, if you go to North
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.